Dow Jones, NASDAQ, FTSE100 or Germany, be it any index, we have seen a good swing throughout this day. We have seen Germany 40 or DAX trading till towards 16,000 levels and bouncing back strongly. FTSE100 till towards 7,600 and then bouncing back strongly. At the same time, Tech 100 has also taken the support from 15,400 plus levels and have seen a strong recovery, specifically post market hours. After market hours, you can see it is trading with a very good rise. The reason for this is the earnings which are released by major tech giants. So now what to expect today, which position you should take in order to profit trading these indices, we will see in the sequence. First NASDAQ 100 followed with Dow Jones, then DAX, and in the end UK 100. Do watch till the end, listen to it carefully, trade as per the levels, and yes, those who are new must watch the next analysis which is going to be released before the US session. Before leaving the video, just press the like button, do share, subscribe and comment. This is a great motivation for me. Let's start. Now see, NASDAQ 100 has given a bullish cross here, and since then we can see series of green candles. Now we also know that this is at 15,620. It has got good resistance here, because beyond this we are going to look at 15,700 levels. So I will definitely watch out for how it behaves at around 15,620, 630 levels. Now it has seen series of green candles, and hence we have to remain watchful and cautious here. Possible sell entry can be taken at around 15,675 levels, but then 15,575, but then 15,540, 520, 500. Only bearishness is if you see Tech 100 trading below 15,500. One more observation is the symmetrical formation. It could try to reverse from here. Possibility exists for this. If you look at a stochastic, this is overbought here, while MACD is divergent and bullish, and the RSI is also looking upwards, indicating slight bullishness. Coming to 2-hour chart, series of green candles here, there is a major crossover which is seen, and since then we can see this bullishness. The price though is divergent from the moving average, however it can stretch the rise, but then one has to be careful of the double top levels. We will see how it behaves. It can see forming the double top, possibility of a reversal also exists strong. A stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI looking up, and on the 3-hour charts likewise, if you see bullishness getting diminished here, that is one observation, and hence we have to be careful. Only sell entry we have seen is at 15,580 levels, 575 levels. See, now the moving averages are on the verge of a bullish cross. It has not yet crossed over on the 3-hour charts yet. If you look at a stochastic, this is back to overbought zone. The MACD is trading with divergence and bullishness. RSI is looking up. And coming to 4-hour, similar observation on the 4-hour chart. See, if you create 15,500 as the median, you will find it has shown almost symmetrical formation here. 15,620, 15,400, and you can see the median at around 500, 510 levels. So with that as median, so far we have seen swings. I will observe any breakout beyond 15,625. You should buy here. Expect 15,655 and 15,710 levels. This is the zone which I will be looking forward to, which is going to give it a maximum resistance if it continues its upward journey here. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is flat. Considering this, a buy entry above 15,630 levels and a sell entry below 15,575. In between these 50 to 60 points, do not take a trade. Trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 24th batch is going to start on first week of August. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my Signals channel. Again, now look, US30 on the hourly charts is also almost reached the pinnacle here, and you can see the complete movement is so far engulfed between this big bullish candle here, that is between 450 and 550 levels here. And you look, if you look at the formation here, it is still giving you higher lows and higher highs here, but the bullishness is getting diminished. You can see here. I will definitely be watchful in this zone, that is 35,500 on the downside is going to be a good support here. Now on the upside, see, I will recommend you to buy if you see it trading above 35,570, 580 zone. If it stays above this, you can expect we may see again 35,650, but beyond that more bullishness can be expected. Else Now see, the complete movement is engulfed between this and a reversal from here. If it stays below 35,500 and 480 levels, more bearishness may prevail. Stochastic overbought here, MACD divergent, and see first wave, second wave, third wave. Now this is a crucial junction. If it crosses over from here, certainly the bearishness may prevail. RSI again near to overbought levels. Coming to 2-hour charts, if you look at 2-hour charts, see on the 2-hour chart, the bullishness getting diminished is one observation. You can see three candles and with a smaller body size, which means the bullishness is getting diminished, possibly a reversal. And if it trades below 35,500, you can stay short. However, more bearishness is seen only and only if it breaks below 35,400. That is the level below which the bears will take over, and then we can see 35,300, 200 level, which is the 200 is the ultimate support. If you look at a stochastic, this is rising, the MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is almost flat. And coming to 3-hour charts, now see on the 3-hour charts only two bullish candles here. Now this second candle is almost outside Bollinger Bands, and hence I will see if it continues with the stretch, else this is still a good resistance here. So now possibly once it stays below 35,500, you can sell, expect 35,460, 35,400 levels as the great support. Stochastic rising, the MACD is also trying to cross over for a buy entry. RSI is almost flat on the 3-hour charts, and on the 4-hour charts, similar observation, nothing different. On the 4-hour charts, just one extra observation is, see, this candle is started flat and it is trying to trade bullish, but it is getting a good resistance from the top. The support is seen at 35,400 is very strong. Stochastic flat here, the MACD is bearish trying to converge while RSI trading at top. And coming to the daily chart, you can see higher highs are seen here. Higher highs are seen. The highs of this is at 35,700. Now flat top is seen here and lower lows are seen. So an extreme swing zone. Only sell entry, only bearishness is seen if it trades below 35,400. Yes, a potential sell entry can be taken. Now see, 35,500 you can sell. However, 35,470, 460 zone first support, which is here also you will see, and then 35,400. Only and only if US30 is seen below 35,400, you can take a sell. Then 3300, 35,300 and 35,200 levels cannot be denied here. On the upside, it is still trading bullish here. See, the candle is started in green. The previous candle, only thing is the body size, which is very small, and the move is a bigger one, which suggests that the bulls are not willing to take the charge. However, it has left the space on the upside, which that is why we can see it continuing with the bullish momentum. Stochastic slightly overbought, looking downside, and MACD trying to convert, but it is right now trading flat almost. RSI is also trading overbought on the daily charts. Looking at this, I will recommend you to sell at 35,500 levels. However, 460, 470 first resistance, and then 35,400 the ultimate levels. If you see it trading below 35,400, stay short, and we are going to look at 300 and 200 levels. On the upside, a buying entry can be taken if you see it trading above 35,580. Beyond that, we can see 35,650, and if it trades above 35,650, that is the time when the bulls will take over. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Germany40. See, for Germany, as we discussed in our analysis yesterday, that 16,000 below 16,100 we may see 16,000 levels, precisely achieving the levels. It has retraced since then. Now see, one point to note, the drop and the retracement. Look at the angle here, the sharp drop and the retracement is still sideways. Only bullish confirmation is if you see DAX trading above 16,250 levels, which is going to be a great resistance. Now I will recommend, if you see it trading above 16,220, you can buy again, expect 16,240, 250 levels. But those who wants to be safe, only wait for it to break past 16,250 and the bulls will take over from there. Now see, the support is seen at 16,150 is very strong. Moving averages are still trading bearish here. We have to wait for them to cross over. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI flat. Coming to 2-hour, if you look at the 2-hour chart, similar observation here. Hence, more bearishness may prevail. If you see it trading below 16,150, then you can expect 130, 100, and then below that, another round of good drop. If you look at stochastic, this is overbought. MACD has crossed over. See, MACD after trading with a fat belly here, it has crossed over. Now trying to continue with the bullish move. RSI flat. Coming to 3-hour charts. Similarly, on the 3-hour charts, now it has formed a reversal sign there. A big tail was seen, and since then we have seen it trading bullish. However, 16,200 is still going to be a great resistance. Now, in fact, you can buy at 16,200, but then expect 16,220, 250 levels as the greatest resistance here. Stochastic overbought, MACD willing to converge for a buy. It has not yet crossed over yet, and it has still got the room for it to continue with the down move. RSI flat. And on the 4-hour charts, if you look at now looking at 4-hour charts, the only observation is the diminishing bullishness and the resistance it is getting from the top. And yes, below 16,160 you can sell, but then 140, 120, 100 till 100 very strong support. And if it breaks below 16,1080, just stay short below those levels, and we are going to see more bearishness. Also, if you look at, see, this zone is a great resistance, you can see, and again it is getting the resistance at the same levels. Stochastic rising, MACD is so far bearish, willing to converge. It was trading with a fat belly there. RSI is flat, and on the daily charts, if you look now, see, on the daily charts it has started on a bullish note. It has started flat here, so at least for once it must try to drop below this. At least for once it must try to drop below this, and hence only below this zone we can expect bearishness. Also look at the top there. If you look at this symmetrical formation here, now almost if you divide it into two half, you will find these two similar, this red similar. Now beyond that there was a green, and hence possibly this could be a red candle here. So we have to be careful here, and double top levels at 16,250 are going to be great resistance. MACD here, exponential moving averages are trading with divergence and bullishness here. Be careful. On the daily charts it is still trading bullish. MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI is flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell today at 16,140 levels. Below that you can expect 16,120, 100, 080 till 080, very good support, then 050, and then 16,000 levels will be seen. On the upside, you can buy here at 16,220 levels, expect 16,240, 250 levels as the first resistance, and beyond that, sky's the limit. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at FTSE 100. Now see, UK 100 is again back to the resistance level at 7,700. You have seen it is struggling at around these levels, and hence a buy entry above 7710 can be taken. Beyond that, we may see bullishness. Now see here, moving averages are again started to cross over and trading with divergence. This is a good sign, and hence this is also going to remain a good support at 7670 levels. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent bullish, RSI is flat. Coming to the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts likewise similar observation here, and we can see very strong resistance here, so possibility of a pullback exists here. Stochastic overbought, MACD on the 2-hour charts, MACD has again crossed over after seeing the sharp drop here. Possibly it can continue with the up move. RSI is flat, it has come out of the overbought levels. On the 3-hour charts likewise similar observation. Only thing is the couple of bullish candles here. Third candle can be expected, and this time it should be treated for a breakout. Remember, symmetrical formation, if it gives a breakout, it is going to be a stronger one. Yes, it has shown a reversal here, and since then it is trying to trade bullish. Just wait for the breakout there. Stochastic overbought, MACD is willing to converge crossover, RSI is flat, and on the 4-hour charts likewise similar observation here. Stochastic is overbought here too, MACD is willing to converge here, RSI is also flat. And on the daily charts, now look at the daily. Now on the daily chart, the previous one was a swing candle here. Since then we can see now this is trying to break out, and see higher lows are seen, so higher highs, which possibly suggests 7720 could be a good resistance. And if it stays beyond 7720, sky is the limit on the upside. At the same time, when it drop below 7670, you can expect we are going to look forward to a bearish candle, and this is going to crash from here. Stochastic overbought, MACD bullish, RSI flat. So yes, considering this, you can buy here at 7610 levels, but then 7620 is the good level for resistance. Beyond that, 764050 levels. The 764050 is a very 7750 is a very strong resistance there on the upside. At the same time, you can sell here at 7670. Expect 7650, 7620 levels, the strong support there. Now below that, anyways, it is going to be considered for a good crash. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signal channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading ahead. Please do press the like button and do share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.